Benny and the Time-Telling Tree. Benny often struggled with waiting and patience. One day, he found a tree in the park with branches that seemed to move like clock hands. Fascinated, Benny started visiting it every day. Each branch seemed to mark different times, and he noticed that the tree didn't rush. It grew patiently, day by day. The tree taught Benny about the importance of patience. Benny began timing himself with the tree, trying to wait a bit longer each day before asking questions or checking his watch. Slowly, Benny found that patience made everything better. He learned that good things come to those who wait, like how the tree waited all winter to grow new leaves each spring. The tree had become his quiet teacher, helping him appreciate the beauty of taking things slowly. From then on, Benny knew that some things were worth waiting for, and he carried that lesson with him wherever he went, just like the tree's patient branches.